Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is Sunday, Mother's Day. So me and Mr. Ize Agwani is on the road. Yeah.
The one is sleeping.
So what make you choose to turn your hat back way? Why long as you want to act like you're some, you know?
I want to act like if I'm with a Jamaican lady.
I mean, want to know what make your beard grey up so? What make you grey up so?
Ha! You're getting old.
Guane people. You know what today is? Today Mother's Day and we're on the road.
So he said he wants to
Take her out for Mother's Day. This is credit card statement.
stop showing for the credit card and maybe no money in the penny.
I'm not showing where there is a number.
Maybe not have no money on it, people.
If there is no money on that one, the second one, we have money too.
That's not your credit card, that's mine.
Oh. It doesn't matter who
Which
wants
no
it.
money in the penny. No money in the
The important
penny.
thing is money. Let me fix the baby seat well.
So guys, what's up?
That was the Vietnam War like.
So guys, someone was asking us, how do we maintain our relationship? Yeah. You drive? You never tell me say you drive, sir.
Oh, sorry.
I mean, I have on my seatbelt. You know, I do not like to drive without my seatbelt on.
So just put the phone there. It will hang. Give it to me.
It will hang where?
Just put it standing.
Yes, guys. So they was asking how we keep maintaining our relationship. So, how you maintain a relationship?
By being prayerful, being patient, understanding, working hard.
Yes, and trust. You know, we have to trust each other. So, yes, and it's very important in a relationship to be prayerful as well. As Robert said, prayerful. Yeah, because sometimes you will find some people are arguing because you know it's just a devil, just a plans of the devil. And it's always good for you to acknowledge and catch up quick. You know, when you're in a relationship and you have to see things not work right, you know, you used to live loving, peaceful, and then everything just start turn upside down, everything start fall apart. You know, you can't stand him, he can't stand you, and all of these things. Just think and keep praying. Just pray, because sometimes
I see
you
my
just
uncle.
see the hands of the devil, you know.
See, let's go.
Gosh, I'm on the video, I'm making a
I
video.
don't care. See my old school.
So guys, you see my little boy see his old school over there. That's why he's big excitement.
No.
And the next thing again, Rob's not really give me no talking. He's peaceful. I don't really give him much talking neither. So that is it. You just have to pray to God to find that person where you and them can get on. You know, we want to make a good team, because teamwork make the dream work. Not sure. Yeah, and that's a hit. Sometimes we have a little bit of obstacles, but we ride past it, you know. And more time the obstacles, it's just like not real. So yeah.
Almost all obstacles are avoidable. If you know the way to follow up. And then one of the secrets of us strong together, and that secret also works for every mature relationship, is that you've almost seen it all, you've almost done it all, so now you know better.
Yeah,
You know,
it's true.
we have come up of age, you know. So there is some advice we will be giving. It will not be relevant for very young couples, because young couples always have illusions and imaginations on their brains, because there are places and some experiences they only could imagine. They never experience it, so they won't be able to understand it. You know? So age, experience matters a lot, you know, in every relationship. You know.
It's true.
For me, for instance, what I want in a woman is the woman's behavior. That's all. That is all. But I cannot compare myself as of this age with myself, let me say, in 2005, for instance. Obviously, this is 2025. 2025 and 2005 is a big gap. So age and experience matters. You know?
It's true. Same as me. I cannot compare myself with age. Like when I just come to this country, and now I understand. You've been there, you've done that.
Yeah. And
Why
then,
point? And you just need to take time too before you get into a relationship. Make sure you want that person to be in your life before you go too deep. Otherwise, don't start it. If you know you're the person not gonna get on and things not gonna work out, just make sure. You know, don't rush.
if you have been there and you've done that, then you come to realize this is important, and this is just chasing shadows. This is relevant and this is not relevant. This is what is going to lead you to somewhere in the future. This is what is good for your soul, and the other one is just trying to please people.
Yes.
And then you choose. By that stage and age, you are your own best friend and your own advisor. That is when you do what you like, not what other people
like. Yeah. It's true. Be yourself and follow your own instinct.
But when you're very young, you listen to people, or your mind will always be thinking this is what you want. Maybe you just want vanity, you know?
Yeah.
And then at the end of the day, you see that vanity, if you don't get matured, you will never realize vanity is vanity. You will always think vanity is all you want. Until you get mature, you acquire things, you lose things, you acquire other things. Then you come to realize materialism is not it. You know?
True.
So, what is keeping us strong? Number one is experience, age, lifestyle. We've been there, we've done that.
Yep.
Nothing is new for us.
Trust.
Trust. You know?
Because if you're not trust a person, you not go no way. And I'm sure when I just meet him, when he hear that, oh, Jamaican, is like, oh my God, this Jamaican woman now. And I know that a lot of people judge me too. You know? Probably saying, oh, it's not gonna work with them. Just give them 3 months. Give them, not true.
Like when we were on a live broadcast today, someone was, I think the person is jokingly saying, she will take me to places, she will take me to travel to America, take me to Caribbean, I should come with her. You see?
Yeah, it's just that somebody is shutting him up.
Yeah, it's joke, I know. But I am an experienced person. Number one, I have traveled the world. Not just travel, but lived. I have lived in many parts of the world.
It's true.
Yeah?
Because Miss Robert, he can speak so much different language.
I haven't had that experience.
Yeah, and somebody I tell you something you feel like, or maybe if you're younger.
Maybe if I'm younger and I haven't traveled, I will be thinking traveling is the cutest or the most important or the aim of living well. If you go to America, then you will feel big that you've gone to America, or things like that, you know. But because of the experience I have, I am a European person. Just imagine, let me say the year 2000, depending on where you are, you don't even have like legal documents and things like that. So what you'll be chasing will be different from the reality.
You know probably why the person's sister maybe three are Nigerian, and you know Nigerian, then any opportunity they get, then take it.
Yeah. Mostly to go
But
out. Just to go
I don't
out.
understand why somebody would want to see you live in England with your family and then tell you other stuff like
because
like you live in
I know why.
third world countries.
I know why. You see, the person is coming from Jamaica, and most Jamaican young-looking black males will fall for that. Of which you've seen it. Example.
Oh yeah.
Most Jamaican young males will always think that the ultimate goal, not just Jamaican, sorry, most
Even
black,
African Nigerian too.
most black males, let me just say males, both young and old, most of us think that the ultimate goal in this world is to the number of women.
Probably need cash. Probably forget it up this one.
Okay. They believe that the number of women you have, or you can boast of, or the number of baby mothers you can count, makes you more kind of more respectful, or more, I don't even know, more respectful, or that makes you more I don't even know what it is.
And that the next thing is that the wrong thing they might do. That's the wrong ways to get into a relationship with somebody.
Boast.
Because if you fall for holler them someday, sometimes they end up getting married, and then in no time you see divorce come. They might curse each other, they might tell each other words and stuff like that. So yeah.
So it depends on personal experiences. Most people, I'm not criticizing looking for wife in the clubs. I'm not criticizing it. But most people go to clubs to look for women to marry. It's not bad, but when you marry a woman that you find in a club, you know that this woman is a clubbing woman. She likes clubbing. That's her life. And then after you marry her, and then she likes to be going to club, and whenever she goes to club, other men will be trying to look for her there, because men are also coming there to look for wives. And she's there like she always is. And then she'll be getting solicitors. She'll be getting people looking for her for marriage. And then you will be uncomfortable with that. No. But in the real sense, that's where you found her. It's like if you bring a ship.
Straight.
Yeah, I know. It's like if you bring a fish out of water, the fish would always like to go back to the water. You know? You can't stop fish from going to the water.
Yeah.
You see? And then no need being uncomfortable with the fish going to the water, because after all, that's where you got the fish.
That's true.
So all these experiences count a lot in relationship. It doesn't matter where the person is coming from. It depends on the circumstances and the experiences and the age. You see?
So that is it. Keeping a relationship.
When
Make sure you respect each other.
When we are online
Trust each
today,
other.
the person telling me I know the person is joking anyway, but just for example, the sun is here. The person says she will take me to America. The person doesn't even know that I don't like America.
And you can go America anytime you want.
I can go if I want. Yeah.
You can go anywhere in the world, you know?
Yeah. I don't even want anyone to take me to anywhere. When I wanted people to take me to places was when I couldn't. Way back in the days when I was in Nigeria, when I was wishing to go, but no one, no chance. Now I am capable. I could spread my wings and fly.
Don't worry, don't mind
You
her.
know?
She just wants,
So,
you know.
if you can spread your wings and fly independently, no need leaning on someone else.
Yeah.
If you lean on someone else, the person might break your wings one day and you fall from the sky. You know? So,
Okay. The only thing that should be able to fly is a plane or a helicopter.
Our birds.
Yes.
Yes, guys. So that's how we maintain our relationship.
You
And
gotta spread your wings and fly.
most important thing is Nigerian man like respect. Not true.
oh man.
All man, but Jamaican man they two business. Cause them
Put
if you
it
cost
here,
if you cost them,
yeah.
if you cost them, they cost you too. So no mind them. So Nigerian man love when you show them respect.
Baby, it's all men, believe me. It's all
I
men.
hear you. I didn't say it's not all man, but as I said, Nigerian man not go argue back with a woman like how Jamaican man argue. Yeah, so I'm not talking about them.
Oh yeah.
And I'm not with all man. I'm with you.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
no.
I'm talking about you. I'm not talking about other man.
But that cursing back helps the Jamaicans
Let me
cut
just finish.
short the curses they receive.
They like when they show them respect. Hey, you see, on the Nigerian man, like when woman show them respect than Jamaican man. Jamaican man don't care about that. They just want to say they like you. And if you have bad attitude, once they like you, they will stay with it. You understand?
But most of Jamaican men don't just hope and depend on one woman. So if one
And
is
that's why
cursing-
I'm talking about you now. I'm
Okay.
saying Nigerian man like when you show them respect.
because they want to make home. Every Nigerian, most Nigerian men.
Robert, I am just telling them what keep us. So
Okay.
just let me finish.
Go ahead.
Just show them respect. Be loyal to them. Make sure saying come home and getting food. And food is very important. Robert, food is very, very, tell them, say very, very.
Very, 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 very important.
His food is very important.
Well cooked food. Well
Yeah.
cooked food doesn't mean a lot of sweeties on it, or a lot of oil, or a lot of fries. A lot of natural cooked vitamin providing food.
Yes.
That
and
is the basis of life, you know.
can you,
The viewers.
and the next thing again, Robert like him meat. You like meat. Yeah. Robert love food, Robert love meat. So
Yeah.
food is very important for Robert.
As I was about to
And
say,
wait, let me finish.
go ahead.
And what I like about him, you can't give him any food, anything, and he eat. He's not fussy. He's not a fussy eater. That's what I really love about him. He's easy to feed. Okay, over to you now.
As I was about to say, money can't buy health.
Give him some.
Okay. Here's some tata.
Money doesn't or can hardly buy health. You see, health is absolutely much more valued than money, and health comes from our daily activities. What we eat,
Stop it. You always do that.
what we eat, how we eat, when we eat. You see, because it is very important to eat well, you know. So, as I was saying, good food is more valued than anything, because from good food you get health, and the health is more valued than anything. So that's why I don't joke with my food, you know. So services, sorry, out of services. It's not working. Let's just wanted some cash, but it's not working. So I need to move. Sun is directly in my eyes. So, what was the topic? Food. Food contributes so much to health, so food should be good, and that should be one of the responsibilities of a wife, because wives stay more at home. That's why. That cash machine is out of service. Do you have other ones near the Aldi?
What? It's out of service.
Yes.
Oh.
I must joke this.
Do you have other ones around there?
No, one of them just about down that side.
So all these Aldi shop centers, there's none there.
No,
How about
and
that?
all the clothes.
How about that post office around here? It doesn't have cash machine there.
I don't know if I can get money inside the post office.
I mean outside the office, there's no cash machine. Let's go try.
So guys, that is it. That is it. Robert is a simple
He's
person.
smiling on the background, baby.
Yeah, Robert is a simple person. Easy to feel, easy to talk to. You know, easygoing person. Always happy. You know, whatever I want, whatever I want to do, he never says no. We communicate well with each other. We are almost the same type of person. It's just that me, I can get really miserable if things don't go right. Yeah? And if people try, when I be calm with people, when you be calm with people, I am not. That's it. It's just a little short video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Like, share, subscribe. You can join if you want to be a member of our channel. There are special things to offer.